Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make Aloo Methi. It's a simple dish, needs few ingredients and it's also vegan. So let's get started. Here we've cleaned the fenugreek leaves, also known as methi leaves, and I'm adding some salt and keeping it to rest for about 15-20 minutes. Once it's rested for 15-20 minutes, I'm going to squeeze the water out of it, and that helps combat the bitterness. So I don't add any extra sugar or sweetener in the form of jaggery or anything, because I follow this process and it's just fine. Now I'm just going to roughly chop up all the methi leaves. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for being here and supporting my channel. I hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to put a thumbs up and do comment and share so that I know whether you really tried this out and how it turned out. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of oil. And some cumin seeds. Allow that to crackle a bit. Then I'm adding some hing, also known as Asafoetida. Followed by 2 chopped green chillies. This is such a simple dish. You can make it for your tiffin, for work. You can make it for a quick lunch, a quick dinner. Now I've added some homemade ginger garlic paste. I make this at home. I don't use the store-bought one. If you want the recipe for this, do let me know. I can always make a video to show you. Now I'm going to add some potatoes which I have cut into cubes. And I'll allow this to cook for a bit before we move on to the next process. I added about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder while this was about 50% cooked. Now these potatoes you have to cook down to at least 95% before we add the chopped methi leaves. As you can see, I'm trying to separate it because when it's wet and chopped, they kind of get confined together. So just separate it and add it in the potatoes so it's easy to mix with the potato and the masala. I'm just adding a little bit of more salt. Please do remember you've already added salt in the methi leaves previously, so add salt as per taste. And now I'm adding about 1.5 teaspoon of coriander cumin seed powder, also known as dhania jeera powder. Give it a good mix. This dish does not take very long to prep or cook because the methi leaves get cooked really quickly. Now I'm adding some whole dried Kashmiri chillies. I'm just breaking them into 2 parts and adding it for flavor. And I'm going to allow the aroma of the chilies to dispense into the food by just covering the lid. I allow this to simmer on a slow stir for about 5 to 6 minutes, and the dish is ready. The methi leaves are cooked, the potato is cooked through. If you've seen, I haven't added any water. I hope you enjoy this dish. Please do try it at home. It's very simple and it's a light meal and very healthy. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and comment, and have a lovely, lovely day.